Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find and manage followers and public content on your Facebook accounts easy and quickly. So first enter Facebook, click on these three lines, then go to the settings and scroll down, and then go to the followers and public content. So as you see here we have many options to manage. So we have who can see your followers on your timeline, who can see the people page and lists you follow, who can comment on your public posts, public post notifications, etc. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.